So here, what is fundamental theorem of calculus? This is just a variation of fundamental theorem of calculus. It means when you take the derivative of an integral function, they cancel out each other because derivative is the inverse of integration. Now here you have an upper bound and lower bound and both are functions of x. So the answer for this part would be, first we'll pick g of x and we plug it in the f of x times applying the chain rule, that will be g prime of x minus. Then we'll take the lower bound, plug it in the function times the derivative of hx. Now let's see some example. So here we have to find f prime of x. That means you have to find the derivative of this function. So derivative of this function would be f prime of x is equals to, now this is my function. So first I will take the upper bound. Upper bound is x, so plug x here. So 3x minus 1. T will be replaced by x times the chain rule. The derivative of the upper bound is, derivative of x is 1 minus. We'll take the lower bound and plug it in. So in place of t, we'll plug in negative x square. So this becomes 3 times negative x square minus 1 times the derivative of the hf. That means negative x square derivative is negative 2x. Now let's simplify this. So this becomes 3x minus 1 minus 2x multiplied to become plus 2x. Parenthesis is be negative 3x square minus 1. So 3x minus 1 negative 6x cube minus 2x. Okay, simplifying this further will give us 3x minus 2x is x minus 1 minus 6x cube. So the upper bound is x and the lower bound is 2, which is constant functions. First, let's plug it in x. So f prime of x would be 3 times x square plus 4 of x times the derivative of x is 1, so times 1 minus. We have to plug 2. We have to replace t with 2 because f of h. So it would be 3 times 2 square plus 4 times 2 multiply with the derivative of this. The derivative of 2 is 0 multiplied by 0. So finally we got 3x square plus 4x.